How many of you have ever been in the middle of a deep study session when suddenly your phone buzzes? Or you remember something you forgot to do? Interruptions are a part of life, but they can seriously affect your productivity. Hello everyone, and today we're going to talk about how to handle these interruptions and stay on track with your tasks and goals. By the end of today's lecture, you will be able to understand the impact of interruptions on productivity, identify common sources of interruption, implement strategies to minimize and manage interruptions, develop techniques to regain focus after being interrupted. Interruptions can have a significant impact on your productivity and concentration. Every time we are interrupted, it takes time to regain our focus and get back into the flow of work. Research shows that it can take up to 25 minutes to fully return to the task after an interruption. Imagine you're writing a term paper. You're in the zone, and then your phone buzzes with a text. You check the message, respond, and when you try to return to writing, you find it hard to pick up from where you left off. This break in concentration can slow down your progress significantly. To manage interruptions effectively, we first need to identify their common source. This can include digital interruptions, emails, text messages, social media notifications, personal interruptions, friends or family members stopping by to chat, internal interruptions, distractions from your own thoughts such as remembering a task we need to do. One of my students, Lisa, used to struggle with constant interruptions from her phone while studying. She would check every notification thinking it would only take a second. However, she found out these interruptions added up, making her study sessions much longer and less effective. Let's discuss some strategies to minimize and manage these interruptions. Create a distraction-free environment. Set up a dedicated workspace that is free from distraction. This might mean turning off your phone and letting others know that you're in a focused work period. Lisa decided to create a study zone in her room. She turned off her phone notifications and told her family about her study times. This helped create a more focused environment. Use time management techniques. Techniques like the Pomodoro technique can help you manage interruptions. Work in short, focused bursts with scheduled breaks. You can minimize the impact of interruptions. If an interruption occurs, note it down and address it during your break. When using this Pomodoro technique, if a friend messages you, jot down a reminder to reply during your break instead of immediately stopping your work. Regaining focus after an interruption. Despite our best efforts, interruptions will happen. The key is to have strategies to quickly regain focus. Take a deep breath and refocus. After an interruption, take a deep breath and refocus your mind on the task at hand. Remind yourself of what you are working on and what your next step is. Use a focus ritual. Develop a small ritual to help you get back into your zone. This could be as simple as reviewing your to-do list, reading the last few lines of what you were working on, or taking a brief moment to meditate. After being interrupted, Lisa would take a minute to review her study notes, helping her to quickly get back into the flow of studying. For 1 week, keep a log of all interruptions you experience. Note the type of interruptions, how long it lasted, and how it affected your focus. Thank you for your attention today. May your work be filled with focus, productivity, and personal growth.